Guys,
Okay,
can I
guys,
find
so one of the birds, guys, come tell them what means.
one of the birds knocked itself out?
It went like 95 miles per hour. Like,
Show them.
or like 100 miles per hour. It just,
Show them the bird.
so right here is where it knocked out at. It hit the screen door and it knocked down on the ground. Like
Show them
knocked
the bird.
out.
Show them the bird.
Oh, it's moving again. It's moving. Guys, it's just sitting there for a few minutes. Hopefully it can get back up and start walking again. Or flying.
His wings just moved. I just saw his wings.
Guys, I think he's getting better.
Show them.
Hold up.
Did it all pause it?
No, it's still on pause. Unpaused. Guys, you see that thing right there in the leaves? Sitting on the leaves? There it is. It literally knocked itself out. It's still alive. It's moving. There's its head right by the leaves. Guys, we feel so bad for that bird. We were like, what the heck is moving? Like, what in the world happened?
No. You cannot play on that phone. I have too much
See?
stuff
He's
on
on
there
his
that you
head.
shouldn't look at.
See, it's moving
I'm
again.
sorry.
Can I play that one?
No. It's the same.
No, dude, you can play the game or something. You don't
I
need to be on
can't
your
because Josh
phone.
is watching TV. And my house an iPad.
Hey, don't cry. Don't
See?
cry.
The birdie is okay. So, I'm hoping.
This
Here.
movie's almost over, and I'll give you the room, buddy.
Hey guys, I'm sorry, but I'm sorry if it's very close. Kyrie,
What?
it's moving.
His whole body?
See, guys? Hold up, guys. So, that thing literally knocked itself out. We just moved it over there. It's standing. It's standing up, guys. See? It's actually standing up. Oh my guys.
Is it standing up?
Yeah. Guys, please like and subscribe.
Is it really standing up?
This
right now?
was like the scariest life of my life.